हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल विदेश वाला। तो आज की वीडियो में वी गोना टॉक अबाउट सम ऑफ द टॉप जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट यू कैन गेट इन माल्टा। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। The first job which we're going to talk about is blockchain developers. अब blockchain developers are just a software developers who focuses on blockchain technology. अब blockchain development में क्या होता है? उसमें होता है the application designing application for blockchain system and also maintaining buildings and other things related to blockchain. And इस पर्टिकुलर जॉब की माल्टा में बहुत ज़्यादा हाई डिमांड है एंड इवन द स्टार्टिंग सैलरीज ऑफ अ ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर्स इज वेरी वेरी हाई. So the next job which we're going to talk about is accountant advisor. So this financial sector industry is always increasing because no matter what field you're working in, what sector you're working in, what industry you're working, there will always a need of an accountant and a financial advisor to manage your money. That is why this field is always in demand and it's just steadily increasing over by years and years and very much high paying too. So the next job which we're going to talk about is in the field of pharmaceutical and medical. We know that Malta plays a vital role in technological advancement and other fields related to technology, and it is only fair कि वो medical field पे भी focus करे जो Malta करता है. And even every year around 150 million euros of goods are exported of medical, which is just as great and proves that Malta is growing in this field and it is also employing a lot of people in this field only. The next field which we're going to talk about is engineering. So from civil engineering to mechanical engineering to electronic engineering to software engineering, all are required for development of Malta. When it comes to infrastructure or any other technological development, engineers are required. That's why engineers की हमेशा ही Malta पे peak पे demand रहेगी for a continuous growth of the country. The next field which we're going to talk about is web and graphic designers. So it is a visual world and right now there is a booming demand for designers, especially for the companies, and creating artworks for them. It can be a logo design, it can be any digital artwork, a post for Instagram or a website. It is all done by graphic designers, and the best part of being a designer is you can freelance, you can work in your comfort zone only and still give great outputs to your client. So the last field which we're going to talk about is hospitality opportunities. अब माल्टा में हॉस्पिटैलिटी की फील्ड में बहुत जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है बिकॉज माल्टा इज़ अ ग्रोइंग टूरिस्ट प्लेस. यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट इंडस्ट्री ग्रो हो रही है तो यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयज़ की भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है ऑब्वियसली टू हॉस्पिटल द कस्टमर्स एंड द टूरिस्ट्स. That's why Malta is continuously employing people in the field of hospitality. And this is not just for the European citizens but also for non-European citizens as well. So ये सब तो मैंने मेन आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बता दी. Besides that there are also some job opportunities that you can check on screen. You can work in manufacturing industry, retail industry, hotel managers, advertising sector, lawyers, chefs and also some waiters and security guards. So guys, that was all the information regarding top job opportunities in Malta, and for any other query you can comment us down below and also call these number below for a free counseling session. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel, you can see the username somewhere here. So yeah, thank you for watching.